Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. Today I want to share with you the super amazing Tuesday morning haul. I found a lot of things from the Flourish collection from Maggie Holmes, and I also found a lot of punches. So make sure that if you're not subscribed, you click the subscribe button and also click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. I share a lot of hauls and a lot of different tutorials and crafty videos that I'm sure you're going to like. So make sure you're subscribed and let's start with my haul. So I went over there and I went late because, as you know, I've been down with a bad cold, but I found a lot of things that I've seen other people haul. Unfortunately, I didn't find all the stamps that I wanted, but I found them on Etsy. I'll talk to you about it in a minute. But I found this stamp set from Maggie Holmes, and I just think it's adorable. Look at that. I love the little icons. They're so beautiful, and I love this little guy here. I was so happy to find this. It says, "All things grow with love," and then it says, "Hello sunshine." I think this is super beautiful. So here is this one, and I removed the price and put it on the back because I wanted you guys to be able to see the whole stamp set. It has little flowers, this beautiful rose. It says, "Love makes everything grow," and I think this is perfect for Valentine's project. It has the little twigs, and this is an ampersand. That is kind of like a leafy one with a flower. Beautiful. I love this little bunch in here. And then this other rose there. It's gorgeous. Open one. And this one's like a bud. Super, super beautiful. Love this set. I also found this embellishment set. And I had one of this that I got before. But I was lucky and I got a couple of them actually. So here you see the things I have. I love the colors I use. They're so pretty, and these are so easy to recreate, so I'm going to try to do that. And these are beautiful, and you can use them to decorate your projects. Love them. And it was only $2.49. So I also found this one, and these ones are Puffy Stickers, and I just love them. I love this little bird. It's just one of my favorites. I love this little thing. And this is the rose that you saw on the stamp set, one of them. So I love this. The little twig, one of the ones that you saw on the stamp set also. And here you have these little leaves in a lemon. Super cute. It says love here. Again, this would be perfect to use for Valentine's. And I love these little houses. These are just so beautiful. And they have a couple more stamp sets that I didn't find over there. One has the little bunny. It has also a little deer, and the other one has also the little houses. I didn't find those two, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to try to look them up online. So I went to Etsy, and I found them, thankfully, so I bought two of them. And these are just so adorable. It was so sad I was not able to get to my store when they had the delivery truck because I was sick. But I found several things. So this is $2.99, and these are mini tassels. They come 18 in the little pack. I love this. I'm going to use this little plastic heart in here to make a shaker. I'm going to probably use it for cards. Super cute. And then I have the little tassels. I just love them. And only $2.99 instead of $5.99. I also found this sticker sheet from the Flourish collection, again from Maggie Holmes. Great paper. It has 77 stickers and it's just gorgeous. It's only $1.99, and I'm not going to give you SKU numbers anymore because I was actually told by one of you, thank you guys, that the number to check up the SKU numbers is not available anymore, so you really don't do anything with having the SKU number. So look at this. I love the peacock. Plant kindness, grow love. So cute. Hello sunshine, like what you have on the stamp set. Happy little moments. Love the little squirrel. These little flowers. Smile, you're so loved. XO, darling. Celebrate the little things. I mean, look at the house. Joyful heart. This is so gorgeous. And then you have here on the back, love those little stamp sets, and they are foil, rose foil. Same as the little camera there. You have the beautiful bicycle there. It says best day. Look at the little bird. Adorable. Summertime. Just love this. Love you. Perfect for Valentine's. Chamomile tea. I love this little bunny. Grateful. And it's so cool that you have it now on the stamps. So the little houses are also on the stamp set. And I'm so happy I found them on Etsy. So It has super nice little stickers that you can use to decorate many different projects. So I'm going to go with the smaller items first, and then I'll go with the paper pad. I found this one too. I don't think I found this one last time. I'm not so sure, so I got it because I love these little frames. Love the little words. Remember this: happy heart, magical moments, love you. This is perfect for Valentine's, and the little frames and a heart. So I was super happy finding this. Then I found the stickers, and I love this. It comes 411 stickers, 4 sheets, and some of them are gold foiled. So you see there, I love the black and white and gold. Super beautiful. Love this. All things grow with love. Plant kindness. Remember this day. It's so many different things here that are amazing. Love, perfect for Valentine's. My love ya, smile, my heart, perfect for Valentine projects. Little hearts here. Gold foil, perfect also for Valentine's. And then you have the little frames that you can use. These are awesome. I just love this. These are my favorite thing from this packet. Look at this. These are gold foil, rose gold foil. I love you, moments spent together. All things grow with love, XOXO. I know the little frames. I just honestly love this. I was so happy to find this. And it also has the little alphabet stickers, and these ones are white and gold foil background. Super beautiful. And this, gorgeous. I love the font, and I love that they have rose gold foil on some of them. Beautiful. So if you find this, make sure you get some. They're awesome. I got actually 2 packets of this, and it's only $1.99. I also found this alphabet stickers, and I thought they were adorable. I super love the little flowers and leaves. I think this is super cute, and it's only $1.99. It's also from the Flourish Collection. So I had to get it. Super beautiful. I got a couple of them. I found also this. And this one is also from the Flourish Collection. These are gold puffy stickers. So they're adorable. Happy day. Look at the leaves, the frames, the heart. Love ya. So this would be perfect for outer composition notebooks or big or like traveler's notebooks. Love this. XO. Love the frame. All the little puffy hearts. Super cute. XO. Love this. Love. Sweet. You have little hearts here. I love this ones. They're not whole. They're hollow in the center. Love that. Memory. Super cute. And it's only $2.99. I was so happy. I thought I didn't think I was going to find anything over there because I went in really late because I was sick again, so I couldn't do it sooner. And I found this little guys, and this is from Jen Hatfield, the Homemade, and this is from the Simple Life collection. And I think they're adorable. Love this flower watering cans. I love them. Love the little leaves, and it has several different items in there. Super cool. It comes 46 in the pack, and it was only $2.99. These are gorgeous for your projects. And then I found this Flourish paper pad, and this is a 6x8, and I love that it has a lot of foiling. So this one has items that the bigger pad doesn't have, and the bigger pad is not foiled. This is $2.99, and it's only 24 sheets, but it's beautiful. Let me show you. Look at this. Gorgeous, the foiling. Not all of them are foiled, but the ones that are, wow, look at that. I love the little colors. There are pages here that are not on the bigger pad. Look at how beautiful. Love that. So I get 2 of this kind, and I just think it's gorgeous. Look. So beautiful. Beautiful. I wish you could see it in person because it's adorable. And I love the colors in here. So many things you can do with this pad. Look. Wow, gorgeous. Love the black and white also. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. This is perfect to make like focal points for things like embellishments and things. This is super cute. I was ultra happy with this. And then I found again some more of the 12x12 paper pad. I love this paper pad. It's one of my favorites from her collection. This one, the carousel one. Well, most of them are so beautiful. So let me show you. This one is not foiled, but look at how gorgeous. Love the little houses. This ones I'm going to actually cut out each and every one of them and use them to make embellishments and decorate cards and projects. So you're going to have tons of them here. Perfect. This peacock I like. I think I'm going to use it for an altar composition notebook because it's so big that I'm really not sure where else I can do with that. Love this. Beautiful. Gorgeous. I love this one. So gorgeous. And this bird, so cute. And you have here so many of these little cutouts that you can use to decorate your projects. Look at how beautiful. Honestly, this is one of my favorite paper pads. Love them. So they have so many beautiful papers. This is my least favorite, but this you can use for backgrounds. You can also make rosettes and different things with them. And look at this. Love the cutouts. This little bunny is so stinking adorable. Love all of them. This is another one of my favorites. So yeah, you can see it's gorgeous. And then I found another pad of the sunny days. Super cool. I was super happy. I found one the last time I went there, and I didn't have this collection, so I was happy to find it again. I love these little calendars. I'm going to use them for my planners. I love this one. This is super cute. I think this is gorgeous. I like this. I love this too. This is cute, super cute. Love this one. Love this one. Love this one. This is adorable. I like this. Love this too. It's nice. Like, so this is not really my favorite paper pad, but it has gorgeous papers. So I was super happy to find it. And now I'm going to show you guys. Alrighty guys, so I found a few bunches over here for Squares bunches, and it was crazy. The price was unbelievable. $4.99 for all of them. I list the ones that I got. They have some that were like $6.99, but I didn't get those. And look at this. Love this one. This is a little frame punch. You can use it to add words to it, but I love this because you can make actually shakers with this. So you can make shaker cards, and it's great because it cuts thicker material, so you can cut your foam instead of having to cut several of the same and glue them together. You can just cut one of them, cut the foam piece and cut the bottom, and you have your shaker. So this is awesome. And this is from Leah Griffith. This I love to make different embellishments, and this you can actually make into different items, not only for snowflake, for Christmas, or for winter projects. So I love this, and I love that it punches thick materials. Only $4.99. So this is super nice. I also found this one. This is $4.99. Regular price says $23.02. I think I've seen them for more. And this is great because it got the little tags, and you can actually also have the eyelet hole, and you can place your eyelet with this too. I had a different one with bigger size tags, but I love this. I love this little shape and this little shape too. Adorable. So these are the actual sizes. These are perfect to decorate your projects. I found this one too. I've seen this one before several times. I never got it, but I saw it now and I couldn't leave it. I have an idea of what to make for this, and this is going to be also super cute for Easter projects. So I got it, and this is perfect too because it cuts thicker material. $4.99 instead of $18.89. Look at this little pineapple. Super cool. And what I love about this one is that it cuts them separate. I have another punch from EK Success that cuts a pineapple, and I love using it to make my paper clips. But then I have to cut the pieces twice because I have to cut it in two different colors because it's all together. So I cannot separate the colors. So this is super cool because you can cut different colors at the same time. You don't have to waste cardstock. And I love that this is smaller, so I'm going to use this one for the smaller paper clips and then use the one from EK Success to make the larger paper clips. I also found this, $4.99. This is a scallop. I love this one. I have a smaller version that I use actually for my last project. You can see here. And this one is from EK Success. But you see that it has a little short scallop. I like that. I like this instead of the bigger size scallops. So I love this, and this is going to match perfect the other bunches that I have. It cuts 1.9 inches, so it's almost 2 inches. $4.99. Super, super cool. Then I found this one, and we're going to be making flowers. So guys, we're going to be using our scraps and doing a lot of different projects, embellishments and things. So this kind of things are perfect. I love dyes. I'm a dye-holic, but for mass producing, to me, nothing beats a punch, because you just go, 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 and you have plenty of them that you can work with right away. So I always buy punches. And I love this little flower. $4.99 only. I have here a smaller version of the flower, and this one is like a shamrock. Super, super nice. Love it. $4.99, and you can make also flowers with this, not just the shamrock. I love finding this one. I like these little icons. So you have the wine bottle and the glasses, and there you go. It's not the actual size. I think it cuts a little bigger, but it's beautiful. I found this one too, and I just love finding this because this would be great to decorate your tags and your cards for the holidays. And also you can use them for other different projects, like winter projects and other things. So I was super happy finding this, and it's only $4.99. I also found this one, and this is a Scalloped Heart. And I love this, and what I love the best also is that I found the smaller size. So you have here the smaller size, and this would be perfect to make shakers. And I'm going to be making shakers and shaker paper clips, and I'm going to share with you soon. So these ones are adorable and perfect for Valentine's projects. So I was super happy finding this. I also found here this ones, more flowers. I really want to make bunches and bunches of flowers that I can just store and have available for my projects. And this is awesome, having a punch for that. So let me show you how this one looks like. That's the way this looks. Super cool. And it's only $4.99. And then this one is sort of like similar to this, but it's a wider version, and it has like more little scallop area here. But this two would be perfect together and also separate. So this is super nice. I found this heritage punch. I love this. These are for corner punching, and look at how awesome. Love this border, the corner, super cute. Look at this, and love this too. So I usually don't use a lot the ones that are very intricate. For some reason, I'm not sure why they don't really appeal to me much. But this I love. I'm going to share with you here some other ones on my hauls. I'm going to link to it over here and down in the description below. And also I'm going to share my last project, which was an altar composition notebook that I made into a journal to start the new year, and I think you guys are going to love that one too. So make sure you check the link over here or over here to check my video up. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you're having an amazing week, and I'm going to see you back here soon for another video. I love you. Mwah.